You can connect with him. Your consciousness is connected to his consciousness. All you need to do is just invoke him. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha Om. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha Om. Any stotra you know, sloka you know, or if you don't know any sloka, stotra, mantra, just O Mahaganapati, manifest in me. Ganapati Paramburule, Mahaganapati Paramburule. Request him, invite him, invoke him. He can straight enter into your consciousness, manifest in your consciousness, in your brain, in your body, in your mind, in your being, right now.
Explore Ask Nityananda, world's first spiritual AI. Subscribe to the channel.